It's Thursday, it's time for another Titanic video, and today is a progress video coming at you from BrickScale Studio. Welcome back to BrickScale Studio. My name is Jeff. Thank you so much for joining me. So today we have one of our progress report videos. You know, after every 4 build videos, we do a little recap in case you missed something. This gets you caught up real quickly. So let's roll the recap footage and then we can have a little chat after. All right, so to recap what we have done, on the LEGO side, we attached this piece of hull and this section up here, and we started work on the other side, hull piece. And then on the scale model, we attached windows to this piece and this piece, attached them both to this deck, and then we also attached these partitions, this support piece, and then underneath we attached some more lighting units. So that will do it for issue 37. All right, so to recap what we've done in this episode, on the scale model side, we attached this section here, this section, these 2 braces. We put windows in all of this, and then we also put in our LED strips and we tested all the lights. And then over on the LEGO side, we added this hull piece on. We built up a couple deck layers here, and then we added the white and the yellow stripe, and then all of this. So that will do it for episode 38. All right, so to recap what we have done, let me move this over here. On the LEGO side, we are building up this section on both sides, and then adding in this top section here. And then over on the scale model side, we added these 2 hull pieces right here. So this is getting very long, but that is it for episode 39. All right, so to recap what we have done, on the scale model side, we added these 2 pieces, this black piece and this maroon piece. We added these 2 pieces of the hull. And then over on the LEGO side, we added some details up here, and then we started working on our funnel, which will continue in the next episode. So that will do it for episode 40. All right, so I think this was a good 4-week progress. We got all those windows on and those pieces put on the deck, plus the lights underneath. We got all that tested. We added 2 more links on either side of our big metal hull section. And then on the LEGO side, we just kept building up and we started in on the funnel. So we're getting real close to finishing that second piece for the middle portion of the ship. But let's do our summary really quick. So total to date for the scale model side, we've completed 487 steps and used 986 parts. On the LEGO side, 1,180 steps and 5,278 parts. So as I was saying, we're almost done with that middle section of the LEGO ship. We will be getting into, I think in the next build episode, we'll be moving into box 3. So very exciting. And then on the scale model side, I haven't looked ahead, so I'm not really sure what we're going to be starting on after for the next build episode. Will it be more hull section? Will we be attaching, you know, we already created the top deck with the funnels, and now we have that lower deck. Are we going to put those together? Yeah, we'll both be surprised, I guess, because I have not looked ahead. But coming up in a couple weeks, on the 14th, we have another LEGO review with the, the Gotham skyline from the animated Batman series. Very cool build there. I'm going to use it, hang it above my TV in my living room. So looking forward to getting that done. I think it's retired, and I've had it in my closet for, I think, over a year, just hanging out. So now is a good time to build it while things are kind of slow at the moment on the LEGO side. I used to do LEGO video once a week, and then our Titanic build and our Batmobile build. But the LEGO part, not only is it expensive to buy LEGO sets, so right now I'm kind of working through my backlog. I still have bought some new sets. I did buy, I did get the big Pokemon set. That will be coming up here soon on the channel, possibly. My only problem is I'm having an issue with display space. I have so many shelves that are full. So it's getting to be challenging once they're built, finding a place to display them. So that is why I've slowed down, and I'm not doing a new LEGO build every week because I just don't have display space for it. Also, I did recently get into Ninjago. I tried to get the Ninjago City Markets before it retired, when it went on sale, and yeah, I totally missed out. And I had been watching the secondary market to see, and I think it regularly retailed, like before it retired, it retailed for $369. And I was seeing it for about $500, and I was like, oh man, that's so expensive. But, I really wanted it. I was so bummed that I missed out on it because I really wanted it. And I was thinking, well, it's only going to keep going up probably. So the sooner you do it, the less painful it's going to be. But, I kind of hemmed and hawed. And here about a week and a half ago, I searched for it again just to see what was out there, and I found it for $3.99, brand new, sealed in box, from a third-party seller on Walmart, of all places. And I had looked at the same set, and it was $4.99, and for whatever reason, it was reduced to $3.99. So I'm like, okay, that's only $30 over retail. This is a retired set. It's the 15th anniversary of Ninjago this year, so Ninjago is really popular right now. I'm just going to do it. And so I bought it. I think I ordered it like on a Sunday evening, and it arrived Wednesday. Brand new inbox, perfect. Like, I can't wait to get into it. I also have a Ninjago City Gardens, I believe. So I never really got into Ninjago, so I've been watching the series a little bit, and I'm just super intrigued by the sets. I definitely want to get the 15th anniversary sets because there's some collectible minifigs in there, I think 7 in total. And they have the Old Town set, which is marked on the box with a 15th anniversary logo, and same thing with, there is an actual 15th anniversary like mini figure display. And then there's also a blacksmith. But I definitely want to pick those up and sort of get into Ninjago because like the Gotham City skyline, Ninjago City Gardens, that has been in my closet for a super long time. I did end up getting that one right before it retired. So yeah, that's been in there a while. So again, though, with those Ninjago sets, I don't know if you're familiar with them, but they are big. The market set is 2 full 32 by 32 base plates. So they're huge sets, like 6,000 plus pieces, and just big. Like I said, 2 base plates. So yeah, displaying them is going to be challenging, but hopefully we'll figure it out. All right, so enough rambling about what we're going to do. So what we are definitely doing is Saturday we're doing the Batmobile build, and then on the 14th of April we're doing the Gotham City skyline. So check those out, hit that subscribe button, and until we see each other again, happy building, take care, be kind to each other, and I'll see you soon.